Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today I am going to discuss exercise 5 6.5 question number 6. Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function given by P of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square, right? First step, what do you want to do? Here maximum, the word alone is given. That means you want to find local maximum, right? You want to find local maximum. Now, local maximum means what are the things you want to do? The first step, you want to do the differentiation. The second step, you have to equate the derivative to 0. Using that, you can get the critical point. Then you have to do the differentiation again. That means you want to find the second order derivative of the given function. In that, you go and substitute your critical point. If the second order derivative is greater than 0, that is the point is local minimum. Less than 0 means local maxima. Then the critical point you have to substitute in the given function. It will give you the local maximum value. Right? Solution. P of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. Right? Now, first step, what do you want to do? You have to differentiate. P of x equal to 41 is constant 0. Here it becomes minus 72. Here it is 36x. Here you are applying the derivative of x power n. The next step, what do you want to do? You have to equate the derivative to 0. P dash of x equal to 0. Now what it is? Minus 72 minus 36x equal to 0. Now minus 36x equal to 72, which implies x is equal to 72 divided by minus 36. Then 36 ones are, here it becomes 2. So which implies x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 is a critical point. Critical point. When you equate with 0, you will get the solution of x. That we call it as critical point. The next step, you want to do the differentiation again. What it is? F double dash, sorry, P double dash of x equal to P double dash of x equal to minus 36. Minus 36. At x is equal to minus 2, P double dash of x less than 0. Because you arrived minus 36, here there is no x, you don't want to substitute. Directly you can conclude that the derivative is less than 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 is a point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. Second order derivative is less than 0 means your conclusion is local maxima. Then how to find local maximum value? The critical point you have to substitute in the given function, right? Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in P of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 72x minus 18x square. Now, P of minus 2 equal to 41 minus 72 into minus 2 minus 4 into, sorry, minus 18 into minus 18 into minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 41 plus 144 minus 72, which is equal to 185 minus 72 equal to 113. Right? Now, the local maximum profit, the local maximum value, you write like that. The local maximum value is 113 at x is equal to minus 2. At x is equal to minus 2. Right? Now, we will pass on to the next question. Right, children? Find both maximum and minimum value of 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25 on the interval 0, 3. Right? Here the interval is given. That means you want to find absolute maxima and absolute minima. Now, you have to take the given function as f of x. Right? F of x equal to 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. You have to differentiate. First step, you want to do the differentiation. Right? Now, what it is? F dash of x equal to f dash of x equal to 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48. First step, you want to do the differentiation. Next step, what I told you, you have to equate the derivative to 0. Now, f dash of x equal to 0, which implies 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48 equal to 0. Here you are going to take everything is a multiple of 12. So you have to take 12 as common. Right, children? Now, 12, you have to take it as common. X cube minus, what it is in the next position, 24x square. So, 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Right? Now, what it is? See here, 12x square. Sorry, children. 12x square. 12 into x cube minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, 12 you have to keep as such. In these two, which is common, x square is common. Then what should be the rest? X minus 2, right? The same way you have to repeat it again. X minus 2. Here which is common? Plus 2 is common. So you have to write like this, which is equal to 0. Now, 12 into x minus 2 into x square plus 2 equal to 0. Now, x minus 2 equal to 0, x square plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X square equal to minus 2. When you arrive x square equal to minus 2, what is your conclusion? What is your conclusion? X is equal to minus square root of minus 2. Square root of minus 2. That means what is your conclusion here? the only root is x is equal to 2. Because it is a polynomial, we have only the real numbers. The second one, it represents your complex, so you are going to reject it. Now, x is equal to 2 is the only root, right? Which is x is equal to 2 is a critical point, right? What it is? It is a critical point. The absolute maxima minima means you want to check whether the critical point is exist in the interval or not. Now, x is equal to 2. It belongs to the closed interval 0, 3. If the interval is given, only maxima minima is represented in the question means it represents the meaning of absolute maxima and absolute minima. Absolute maxima and absolute minima means how to find. You have to substitute the critical point and the end points of the interval in the given function, right? At x is equal to 2 in f of x equal to 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. Now what is your f of 2? F of 2 equal to 3 into 2 power 4 minus 8 into 2 power 3 plus 12 into 2 square minus 48 into 2 plus 25. Now 3 into 16 minus 8 into 8 plus 12 into 4 minus 96 plus 25. Now you see 3 into 16, what it is? 48 minus 64 plus 48 minus 64 plus 25. See, 48 plus 48, 96 minus 96, right? So the term has to be vanished. Which is equal to 96 minus 64 minus 96 plus 25. Now 96 cancel, which is equal to minus 64 plus 25 minus 39. Next, at x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 3 into 0 power 4 minus 8 into 0 power 3 plus 12 into 0 square minus 48 into 0 plus 25. So f of 0, what you will arrive? F of 0 is equal to 25. Absolute maxima minima means you want to substitute the critical point and the end points of the given interval in the given function, right? At x is equal to 3, at x is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 power 4 minus 8 into 3 power 3 plus 12 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 plus 25. Now 3 into 81 minus 8 into 27 plus 12 into 9 minus 48 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 2 remaining, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 144 plus 25, which is equal to 243 minus 8 into 27, 216 plus 108 minus 144 plus 25. Now we are going to simplify. What it is? It is equal to, have to simplify, which is equal to 16. Therefore, the absolute maximum value is 25 at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, the maximum value is 25. The absolute minimum value is minus 39 at x is equal to minus 2. Again, I repeat, listen children, only maxima, minima, the function alone is given means that is local maximum and local minimum. Maximum alone is represented, but the interval is given means you want to find absolute maxima and absolute minima, right? In that, the critical point and the end points of the interval, you have to substitute in the function, right? Now I am going to move to the next question.